Jamaican parents don't care to hear your side of the story when it comes to chores.
Oi, Sean.
Yeah, Dad?
Talk to you for a second. How much time I go tell you, say, when me there at work, my door want your mother call me and I complain about nothing. Your mother call me and she tell me, say, she tell her to take out the trash and you go ball her fire and tell her, say, you do it when you're ready.
That's not how I said. I did not say that.
And that you say? Oh, so basically, you say your mother lied. She lied.
I'm not saying she's
No?
lying, but I'm saying the way I said it was...
Okay. So that means, say, you never ball her fire then?
I may have pitched my tone...
Okay, so basically you say, a deaf, she deaf. She deaf.
I may have pitched my tone up a little bit because we
But
were
you know
in
what?
separate rooms.
Since you don't want to take my side in that something, yeah? Demonstrate and show me the same way how you tell her. So you now do the thing? Tell me. Same tone and everything. Just tell me the same thing. Because I don't want to take my side here. Tell me.
Okay, so she was in the living room and she said to take out the trash, and I was doing something, and
You look
I
at shit
said...
on, so when your mother said to do something, drop everything and do it.